Hi, so we present you this cutesy website I made under a week because I just felt like doing something. Yeah. I heard everyone should know how to create a shopping website, so I was like, hey, I have a very cool idea. Let's try giving it a go. The idea in this case was just something very cutesy and like very contrasting, if that makes sense. So I didn't thought much of it and just straight up started the design process. Yeah, with only the slight vision that I had in my mind. I did all the designing in Figma and recreated all that in React. As I was in the designing process, I looked for some inspirations from Pinterest and found some really cool websites that matched my vision. And thus, here's the reveal. My website was heavily inspired by those old retro 90s Japanese websites, if I'm not wrong. And I love the idea so much. Wait, watch this real quick. A depiction of my thought process at that time. Oh, the Japanese retro websites? That's a perfect inspo. Wait. Oh my god, let me design a prototype using this as a reference and see if that seems right to me. The pages I believe should be the home page, likes and card item page, products page, pages for each nav link, profile page, wait, this is so confusing. Let's just sort them out. So the components we need are the footer, header, obviously, like pop-up, location pop-up, profile pop-up, card pop-up, confirm pop-up, motive pop-up, and yeah, I guess most of the pop-ups will be in the nav bar. The nav bars we need are the main navigation bar and the sub-navigation bar. The rest components will be the product bar where we will see our details of the item, and we need the sidebar. The pages we are going to have are like the about page, contact page, invest page. Yeah, is that it? Yeah, and there's a payment page too, and these will be for the accessorizing only. These pages will be in the footer, card page, likes page, category page. Yeah, I think I said that before, but they'll be in the nav bar, home page and search page. Yeah, I don't even need to explain about them. Login page, sign up page, they should go to the nav bar too. Payment more. Okay, that feels solid. I want all the items in my shopping website to be unique. Low-key want them to have a lore. Let's wake up our inner writer from 2020. The structuring, aka coding for this was also very simple and fun to do. Like nothing bad so far until I just got bored of it. Yeah, it just didn't hit as hard I thought it would. And it just seemed like a boring shopping website. But, to overcome a challenge, you must think through it, right? So, guess what? I added a cool ass translation feature. Like, yes, that's the flavor we need. Like, I already spent way too long on writing the lore for each item in the shopping app, and outside all the yapping I filled this website with, no way I'd get over it just because it seemed bland. Hell no, buddy. So I implemented the I-18N translation feature. Required a bit of all-nighters, but we cool. Not much of a challenge. So the translation feature was up. Then I sketched and made some cool posters and models and just these advertisements for my cutesy shopping website, and also looked for some outfits that match the description. Yeah, I really wanted to include my own sketch ones, but they're just so bad. Anyways, lastly, I added cool cute stickers and fixed everything just felt off. And yeah, that's it. That's how I made this cool ass website. I love it so much, and I just had so much fun thinking outside the box for this project. Not that it's any new idea, but still I had fun working on it, and that's what all matters, okay? So I hope you had fun watching this, and please give the website a try. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.